I wouldn't recommend watching them tonight because it is just absolutely beautiful outside. Lots of sunshine in the area, and as Cynthia mentioned, it's not quite hockey weather. It is on the chilly side, however, there in Tyler, with temperatures right now in the middle 50s. We are in the lower 50s a little further off to the north. It's 54 in Mount Pleasant, a couple degrees cooler there in Mount Vernon. 51 is the current reading in Sulphur Springs. There we are, 55 at our Tyler Pounds Airport, 55 in Chandler. 54, that's the current reading there in Athens. And then for Anderson County, pointing off to the north and east in Cherokee County, temperatures are generally in the middle to upper 50s, but I do expect most of our temperatures to warm into the lower 60s. We're already there in Huntington, and it's also 58 degrees right now in Lufkin. So today, like I just mentioned, I do expect our high temperatures to be right around 62 degrees, mostly sunny skies. I can't rule out a few passing clouds, and of course this will be slightly cooler than what we saw yesterday afternoon. Tonight low temperatures will be in the middle to upper 30s, and I am expecting a cold front to push through the area, which means we will have a few clouds in the region. But here was the main story of yesterday, and this is going to be the main story of tomorrow. Unfortunately, the highest wind speeds across East Texas were anywhere from 20 to even 35, 36 miles per hour for some of our northern counties. From Hopkins County there, Sulphur Springs picked up a wind speed of 36 miles an hour, 33. So the wind was ripping yesterday, and guess what it's going to do tomorrow? Well, we're going to have some very strong winds as well. This cold front will be arriving tonight. It's still well off to the west of Dallas, but in the Panhandle right now, it is windy, and that is a preview of things to come. So let's take you real quickly through Futurecast. This is this evening, about 7 o'clock. Temperatures will fall into the 50s, so still a beautiful night to get outside. You're probably not going to want to do that tomorrow morning, though. This is why. Cold front pushing through our western counties. That's 11 o'clock. You're going to start to feel it from Hopkins to Rains to Van Zant County. As this front pushes through our central counties, we do see a layer of clouds move in, and notice these big blue arrows on your screen. That indicates very strong winds. So at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, you see these temperatures in the 40s. We're still going to have sunshine in the area. These temps that are in the 40s are going to feel more like the middle to lower 30s because we are expecting winds tomorrow out of the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And by 5 o'clock, we're still in the 40s, but it will feel much colder than that. Over the next 7 days, I do have high temperatures in the 60s today, upper 40s for your Wednesday, and then by Thursday, I do think we're falling into the 50s. 60s are expected Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with a late chance of rain coming at us Monday evening. Deep East Texas, similar story, perhaps a degree or two warmer today, and then tomorrow night, we will see another freeze. So if you're looking at this and you've already planted those plants, you're going to want to cover them up before tomorrow night. Cynthia?
Thanks, Carson. Coming up after the